Graham, where are we going?
We're going to this place.
It's called the Royal Cafe Lounge.
Oh yeah,
Lounge
the
Cafe.
Royal Cafe Lounge and
Yeah.
Lounge and Cafe.
But Graham,
Yeah,
look at the sculpture.
nice, eh?
This is part of this guy that does sculptures in this cafe. He
Wow.
owns it.
Wow, it's nice, eh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Welcome to Jaunti Vanlife, travelling through South Africa. Full-time vanlifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. That's it. Then you come sit, they want to cut your hair. Oh, you at the barber shop here?
No, I'm going to the dentist.
Oh, is it the dentist? Okay. Take over here of the collection of house riders from new to old. Another one. These are big robots made of little dinky toys. Every single one. Do not touch. Even movies while we're watching. Who remembers these guys? So what's a place without a bar? Beautiful.
What a fascinating cafe, lounge area where you can sit and enjoy. Cheesecake is a speciality, but we had lemon meringue and it was divine. So make this a turn. It's gorgeous and his art, it's amazing.
Now?
Going to the dentist.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll follow you.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
All right.
So Cindy, you say you got a problem with your mouth?
Yeah, I had a whole tooth that broke off.
lovely. So what we doing here?
We're gonna go and have coffee at a new place. It's the train. It's not
Oh,
new. It's one of the
train.
old ones.
I just hope I can see this.
And there's also accommodation here.
So we took a stroll around the beautiful train. They've painted on it, which is gorgeous. Excuse the dustbins. But look at this plane. Beautiful. Now this is just the part where they do the restaurant and everything. We did have coffee there. And then you'll see Graham's going in here. And this is the carriages. That's where the hotel is. You stay actually in the carriages.
Hi, Graham. We're going to have something. Thank you.
So you see?
So we're now at the name's there. It's a train that's been sitting here. Yeah. So you can see the whole train behind us. Right down. And there's a lodge that's in the train. You can stay in the room. It's stunning. But we're going to eat at the restaurant. Oh, have coffee. You know that's our limit. The intention is we don't go and eat out. We just share cake and have coffee.
Yeah.
That's why you see it all the time. Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Join us.
Okay. And then Santos, it's great. Yes. To show the railway line. This actually was a railway line. That's why this train's here. Yeah, it was the railway line. Yeah. Look here. It's very nice, like it's tropical.
You can go and have a look at
Wow, on the beach, that's stunning.
beach.
It's like tropical, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this. This is actually one of the, must have been the, you know, the passenger train, like where you sit for maybe your meals.
Yes, that's what it was.
think it was.
This was called the dinner coach.
Yeah,
Diner coach.
yeah.
There's our view.
Oh.
If we have a nice flower.
And you see the sea there. So you can sit on the deck. Ah, there you can see the jackal. Yeah. Do you have like cakes?
We have strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah. Oh, let's have a look at desserts.
Yes.
Strawberry cheesecake, ice cream. 2 cappuccinos. You're gonna be on the movie.
What is it?
Wanna be on the movie?
No.
It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, we've got a channel on YouTube.
All right. And today we're having burger specials. It's half price of burger.
Oh. Okay, where's it? Half price, because we can share one.
Bro.
And then we'll go down to the beach just now.
Big.
Yeah. So this is all on Santos Beach. This is all Santos. Yeah. That might be a boat club. Where's the duck? Oh, yeah, here it is. But seagulls. Oh, look at all of them. And they're coming up the sea as well. Beautiful. It's actually a nice view from here.
Hello, Cindy.
Hi.
Good. Are we here?
Yeah.
Hi, Cindy.
Hi, Graham.
Okay, so we're at this restaurant here. It's called The Train. Am I right?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's on Santos Beach here, and we're having our favorite, a nice cappuccino. So as we are, we thought we'd just have a little discussion as to why we're here and what we think of this place, because we're leaving here very soon, another 2 weeks or so. So Cindy, what do you think of Mossel Bay and all its little, what do they call them, suburbs or something, beaches? What did you say?
I've loved it here. It's been the most refreshing, lovely time, relaxing.
Beautiful.
We've both been not bored at all. There's so much to do, and we're busy doing crafts, picking up sea glass. Graham's doing the van DIY.
Yeah, you'll see. You'd like to show a preview on the next video or so that what we're doing, and maybe later on we show more. But yes, it's a test now, and it seems to be working. But I think you like what we're doing. Simple, easy, crazy.
So we're still going to the Dios Museum. There's Bartholomew Dias. I think he landed here in Mossel Bay, the history. And, you know, there's been, how many shipwrecks here? About 30 shipwrecks. I don't want to lie how many, but I'll show a little thing now.
Yes, I think we did have we've got a video or something of that.
Take a picture of it again.
Yes, we'll take another picture of it, and it'll show all the shipwrecks out here, and also
in this bay.
Yes, in this bay, all the bays. You see different bays. Gee, there's so many bays around here. I can't believe it's so many places.
Anyway, and then we're still going to Oatswin.
Ah, yes, Oatswin. We're
End of the
going to
month.
see some things.
And then we're leaving.
Yeah.
We're not telling you where we're going.
Yep.
So here's the train, just the other side, and you look over the beach. We're down at the beach now. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. We enjoyed our coffee. We just had coffee today.
Okay, bye. Always upstairs, eh? Yes.
Because it's time to say goodbye.
Okay, well, we enjoyed doing this video, and I think if you did as well, if you liked it, I think that would be good by showing it a thumbs up, and share view with others, and yeah, we'll see you later. So it's ciao from Cindy and Graham.
And God bless everybody.
And God bless and enjoy.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Where am I? That's so scary.